Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the Hyper-Lapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the Hyper-Lapse, so let's begin. Here we are, now we can start recording this type of video by using this big button at the center, the shutter. We can also change the speed of our Hyper-Lapse by going to the right corner. When we tap here, we get access to speed auto, so it is good for any kind of conditions we have when we want to record the Hyper-Lapse. And we can pick also the spectrum between 5 to 60 and 2 extra speeds to night recording, as you can see 15 and 45. And the really cool thing from this device is that it shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have. So for example, let me show you 60, good for recording sunrises and sunsets, maybe 30, good for recording crowds of people walking by, and maybe let's move also to 10, good for recording traffic going by. So this is really cool thing. Now let me stay for example on auto, because as you can see I don't really have well conditions to record the Hyper-Lapse, and let me start recording to show you an example of this video. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the Hyper-Lapse should speed up the original video. Now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the Hyper-Lapse video looks like, so it's really fast. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.